All right, Larry, let's come back to the United States so we can kind of wrap up the conversation. The Atlanta Fed lowered its growth forecast. We saw stocks go south after some bearish manufacturing data. Also, yesterday, the ISM, new orders are not growing. Backlogs are not growing. There has been weakness on some of those regional surveys, which suggest that the economy is softening. What's your feeling on that? Are these just blips, or is there a real issue of the U.S. economy slowing down, along with the global economy?
Now there you go. I thought I had you on the optimistic path. Now you're going south on me as soon as we got finished with China. Look at the jobs numbers that came out today are so huge and have so many positive ramifications, not least of which is labor force participation, hours worked, average hourly earnings, all these things creating income for family households. By the way, did you know in this cycle, I'm just going to add this editorial in. I want to keep you on an even keel. In this cycle, the blue-collar workers have had the largest gain in employment. Blue-collar employment, largest gain since the middle 1980s when I worked for Ronald Reagan in OMB, when I was a Reagan Cub Scout. Second point, we just did a study for the CEA, Council of Economic Advisors, that actually the lower income workers are getting faster pay raises than the middle workers. Not higher, mind you, but faster. I mean, to translate that, overall, wages are rising right now year over year, a little better than 3%, which is a terrific number. The lower end is rising better than 4%, which is even more terrific. Now, to your point about the Atlanta Fed GDP Now model, let's see how they're going to make some big revisions. They always do. It's an honest model. I like to track it myself. I think they're at 2.6 for Q4. I'm taking the over. I think we're going to get to 3%. Today's jobs number, and you'll see, I think, very strong retail sales, very strong industrial production, business equipment, and so forth. So I just think that's one of the fallouts from today's jobs number is going to be a lot of upward revisions in forecasts.
I'm on your side. I'm not pessimistic, Larry. I'm just pointing out some statistics, and I appreciate what you're saying. But imagine if we get the China trade cloud away. We get that sorted. We've come to an agreement. Everyone's happy. And then we hear from the Fed, look, they're happy too. Those two elements, if we can bring those together, then we're off to the races, are we not?
I want everyone to be happy. I want happiness. I want joys, freedom, opportunity, prosperity. I love happiness. Life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. I just love that. Actually, you're better. Stu Varney usually comes at me with a sledgehammer. He just absolutely, no matter how good the numbers are, my dear friend Stu, we've probably known each other over 20 years. Yes. I think you're much more even keel. So I really like that approach, and I thank you for it.
Larry, thank you. So let's leave it right there. I'll take the praise. It's high praise indeed. Larry Kudlow, thank you so much for joining us, Larry. Really appreciate it. A fascinating conversation as always. Thank you very much.